In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Shopify store's header transparent using a simple code adjustment. This straightforward guide will walk you through each step to ensure your Shopify site looks sleek and modern with a transparent header. First things first, we'll need to navigate to the Shopify website. Open your web browser and type in the Shopify URL. Once the page loads, you'll see an option to log into your account. Enter your credentials to access your Shopify dashboard. The dashboard is your main hub for all things Shopify, so it's helpful to get familiar with this interface if you haven't already. Now let's talk about how to make that header transparent. To begin, you'll want to have the specific code ready that will allow this transformation. I'll be providing that code in the video description below, so be sure to check that out once your setup is ready for pasting. Once you've copied the provided code, head back to your Shopify dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see an option labeled Online Store. Click on that, and you'll be taken to a new page where you can manage the theme and layout of your store. What we're interested in here is a little link that reads Edit Code. Clicking this link is like opening the door to a whole new set of customization options. With the code editor open, you'll notice a search bar located in the upper middle section of the screen. Type header.liquid into this search bar. The file that appears will be pivotal as it contains the coding elements that define your site's header. Clicking on this header.liquid file will bring up the content of the file, allowing you to make direct edits. This part is really crucial. You'll be looking for a specific location in the code that serves as the placeholder for your changes. Once you find the correct spot, simply paste the code you've copied from the video's description into this location. When you're confident everything is in the right place, save your changes. And just like that, you're done. With these few steps, your Shopify store now boasts a transparent header, providing a cleaner, more minimalistic look that enhances the visual appeal of your site. It's a simple tweak, but one that can significantly impact your store's aesthetic. I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, the transparency effect can vary slightly depending on your overall theme and how the rest of your site is set up, so feel free to make any additional adjustments to suit your personal style. If you're keen to further enhance your Shopify store or look for more customization tips, don't hesitate to explore additional resources or tutorials. As always, thank you for watching and happy selling.